Sanibona guys, how are you guys? Happy Saturday yenina. Osisi yangibhalela sizothi uthande kuyangibhalela awushuthi mina this thing le story lesingisikhuluma ngaso ngifuna ukuthi sibe awareness especially kubantu ababelieve ukuthi abantwana kumele ukuthi bahlale esontweni if umntwana nenkinga or awushuthi bophilo babo asibophilo bobumnadi and iziningi izinto ezenzeka emabandleni abazali bethu abangazazi and bomamruti libodade mruti they love to pretend. Angithanda ukukhuluma ngeduru zebandla, you know, but angithanda ukukhuluma iduru zebandla, but I felt like the story is like ngifuna ukuthi ngishare ukuthi kube awareness because every day ngidla awareness. So as much as I don't like narrating church stories because of a belief system yam or whatsoever, I keep at Lord Kausani, keep a much more bad, but because historic singesam. Sisungibhalele ngoba anyako cover out into emjileng for over a decade. So as Kali usisi uthi awuschoose mina umntwana sekithi bese 5 uthi la sibona sekithi intombazana like iyagula uthi begula besihlala emakhaya uthi iyagula yaphatha izilwane dilwane. Now that I think about it, mara yini lokugula guys, cause like and I feel like ngathi bugula kwasemakha. I'm sorry to say that, but ngathi bugula kwasemakha. Yes, like I don't think ukuthi lokushini kube kukhona lokugula lokho lasesilungweni. I remember ngisemncane nami like as my other cousin I bekaphethe ilwane like nanoma ngathi explainela umuntu ukuthi ugula unjani, like abantu abaziyo like kuma comment section sitshelana ukuthi yini izilwane zikhoswa yini. Back to the story, uthi umntwana sekithi bikagula vele anezilwane wentombazane. So ulama mina like uthandeka number 4. So umntwana sekibulama yena or awushozi nalwala muthola resayithi arinahlanya and into yakhe mayimvukile ifuna ukuthi agijime ayingasentabeni, uyabona. So bamhambisa uthi mama no babambi bamhambisa like trying to find help for her because of like nohole mathatha awushozi uthi mayimqala netwan sabona umnyango uyaphuma vele uyabaleka or uyakhumula abengcono aphume abaleka ngcono like izinto bezimphethe. So we don't know ukuthi entabeni ufuna in and mangabaleka ayentabeni like it's hard ukuthi simthole. So it was very hard ukuthi atholakala mangaya ngasentabeni because entabeni ay deep ngenzansi yofuna la ngathi umanzi khona uthi sometimes bamthola lapha and bamthola like kube ngathi there is something being scratcher or maybe a scratcher yena like uzomthola ahubukile like so but they said you know what ngoba lo mntwana lo siyamhambisa ebantwini like akabi right asicaleni indlela yebandla sifuna ibandla la ngahlala khona maybe they might be able to help her or what I was told okay fine umntwana bamfunela ibandla ubaba mafunisisa ukuthi izilwane bakhona ukuzi alafa go Greek and Asian stuff like that yabona. So bamtshela ukuthi no miseka mam banbani they will be able to assist her yabona. So ayi baba mahambe noma mama afika lapha asho ukuthi umntwana uphethwe yini in lo mama lo wesiwale bandla le no baba wakhona but fanele ukuthi eze but makeza because of thina la abantwana abahlala la bayakhona ukusebenza sifuna ukumakeza aze nomuntu ozoza naye ukhona umntwana wasikiba ngeza zohlala la ange uzoya esikolweni ahlala la like meaning ukuthi uba ngathi umntwana lapha yana but akasimntwana lapha yana. So bafuna something like that yabona structure sinjalo. Hayi umama abo basacrifice uthande kuzaza naye sinomntwana uthande ungena isikolo uzathi uzamhlokomela like and then aye esikolweni and aphinda abuye okay sharp. Hayi vele bazwane kanjalo ke abazali bafike bathi thandeka uzohamba uyohlala kulo muzi lo so bon and then because of sifuna ukuthi ugel abi right bathi bazokhona ukumu alapha. Hayi uthi uthandeka ungabi nenkinga because of like go Greeking and I'm still young yabona. Siye uthi masifika vele like kunama room uthi unahlala abantwana abaningi lapha yana like kunama room abafana one side like izinto like kulaleli inhlokwenhlwana yabona. So kunendlu yabantombazana kunendlu yabafana and then sihlala lapho sonke siyasebenza share like ama chores siyazi ukuthi wenza ini uthi like uke sebenziwa kulela bandla you wake up very early, uyacleana, washa amabhakede abazowenza ngawo, abazosebenza ngawo abantu emini. Like net once at 5 o'clock nonke nivukile niyasebenza. Or awushozi like awuzange ngasebenza kangaka empilo yami ngisesemncane. Or bovuka ngo5 niqalile niyasebenza, nidla ngesikhathi niyasebenza, yonke into ihamba ngesikhathi. Like intongwa le ngitsamaya ka routine. There's no time for you to play as a child. Like outside naka kerekeng ela uba le khoba la ko kerekeng ela. Awona or awushozi hayi vele ngihlala uthi vele kube yi weekend, so bengishiye some of my books ekithi ngicele kumama nobaba wesonto ukuthi no bengicela ukuya ekhaya ngolanda izinto zami ezisele, yabona, because like bezifuna esikoleni enangasiphathanga, yabona. Uthi leso sikhathi like ekibo bebana iphone, but like loba kina kutsela tsagalo gore safona ko public phone. So uthi hayi vele lo mama lo anga feel comfortable ukuthi angahamba, uthi athi no ngisizothumela 2 of the girls bahambe nawo bakhaphe ulanda lento lendeni uphinde ubuye. What awushozi bohlala esontweni kube ngathi bayakumonitora, like bungabi free, bungabi ne free space, free time yakho bungabi nayo. Uthi ngihambe ngiyolanda lezi zinto lezi, mama mangibuza unjani lapha yani baniphethe njani. Uthi like I had to lie because of ngihamba nabantu. So ngivele ngithi hayi si right mama, but like I wanted to come and tell my mother ukuthi no kele hoba kumuntu ngola and I don't like it, but anzange ngikhona because of ngihamba nabantu abangikaphile bekuma chaperone wethu bekasikapha mawafuna uyesame bayakhapha and ngibona sebabadala nyana kithi. Or awushozi hayi ngiphindele vele lapha yana. Uthi mangiphindela angibuza umama ukuthi ngihambe njani, ngithi ngihambe kahle. Umama khuthizeni uthi hayi bengibuthi sihleli kanjani wena wathini. Uthi ngamtshela ukuthi ayisihleli kahle sinankinga. Uthi okay. How awushozi orikibone mo hore batho ba pila asi batho ba right, but like baya pretend ngebandla. Uthi awushozi manidla ukudla kwenu bayakumeshara awudli isinoma or ngiyela phana nginozimzimba ne ngabuya ngizaqele because of anything yameshariwa. And if they want to punish you awushozi uzokugabha nasemini ukugabha lokudla because of they want to punish you when there's something wrong. Or awushozi and then ngicela nani banifakise isonto isikhathi eside ngiqola isikhathi eside, like it was so tiring engqondweni yami ngasakhoni la kuba kule yamuzi, but because of ngikhethe ngwana ko high I had to ukuthi ngibekezele because of hoping ukuthi umntwana sikithi uzoba right. Hayi uthele ngilanga awushozi like umama yekho, so mama ke kusele lo baba nalabasebenzi, yabona. So uthi like ngesikhathi ngo7 sonke sihamba sizindlini zethu, ngo7 sihamba sonke siya ezindlini zethu, and there is no one who's going to go outside. Don't go outside. Umuntu uvumela ukuthi abe ngaphandle, ubaba meaning ukuthi the father of the church. Or I was just saying one time mina ngaphatha isisu ebusuku, uthi mangiphatha isisu vele ngicela ukuthi ngicela nengikhaphe ngiphethe isisu. Uthi one of the girls asabe athi abafuna ukuthi uphume la nebusuku but ema ngikhaphe, yabona. Lo munye athi ema socela ubaba uthi uphethe isisu like ufuna etoilet. Uthi ngithi hayi ngeke ngicela ukuthi ngifuna etoilet, mina ngiyahamba ngiye toilet. Uthi vele bangangikhaphi namantombazana because bebasapha. Uthi ngihamba, uthi mangihamba awushozi the ubaba una this other girl, yabona. Uthi ngiyababona bayawoka together bashwabela ngaphakathi endlini. Uthi leso sikhathi bekuyi weekend lo mama webandla akekho bashwabele endlini. Uthi ngitoilet, uthi ngime lapha ngizibuza ukuthi lo muntu lo nebusuku sona lo mntwana like ubatla enki, yabona. Or uthi awushozi into wrong yakhona ukusenza ukuthi le ikhona into wrong yenzakalayo. Uthi ngaso sikhathi mina icansi bengakatsho ngiya ecansini. Uthi bahamba, uthi ngabuza lamantombazana ukuthi kanti usibani bani ukuphi, yabona, because angimboni, but asazi ubize ubaba, yabona, asazi ukuthi uzobuya mara after isikhashanyana. So kube to me ngathi lamantombazana they know ukuthi ubaba lo mntombazana le umisa kuphi, but they don't want to tell me. Uthi ngithi makambiza like vani bayoyenzani endlini ebusuku umama ngekho. Uthi amantombazana athula ngangirespondi or kibona gore no mo ikhona into off, but ngisathi ukuthi let me my mouth. Awushozi it was Friday night lesikhathi ngiphethe mathumbo ne. Uthi hayi kube na one of the girls or lapha yana like ebandleni kuba ne like kuba le dimpimpi go rekeng ele or ngale dimpimpi tse di botsange like ubaba everything unezimpimpi tse mama everything, yabona. uthi hayi kube unontombazana emtshela ukuthi no ungibonile uthande ukubonile unale ntombazana le, and she was asking questions ukuthi ufuna ini nalo mntwana endlini umama ngekho ebusuku. Uthi Saturday morning siyavuka futhi routine sayenza, kunalabantu abagabhayo, kunalabantu abazosebenzisa bazocleansa na angifuna ukukhuluma like I don't want to like to know the church man, but kunalabantu abazocleana like yabona abazoziservice emzimba ngisho kanjalo. So uthi after maqeda vele uyenza ngisho then kungenwa nebandla, then ngiyaqeda lona ngiyaqeda then like siyaphutha futhi siyacleana all over again izinto bebezisetshenziswa and stuff like that. Uthi mangicedile vele ukucleana angitshela athi ngicela ukuthi ungenzele ukudla, kusho ubaba ngicela ukuthi ungenzele ukudla ungilethele ngasendlini. Uthi hayi vele ngimenzele, or I was by then beginning 14 years, I was 14 years old by then. Uthi hayi vele ngihambe, uthi mangihamba ngimisela ukudla, uthi angibuze athi uthi ubone ini izolo ebusuku, like ngibe shocked ukuthi wazi kanjani, uthi ubone ini izolo ebusuku. Uthi vele ngithula athi ngikhuluma nawe ntombazana, uthi ubone ini izolo ebusuku. Ngisho ngithi no mina ngibone uhamba no sothi uLindo, hamba noLindo ngena endlini. So bengibuza ukuthi uLindo bekafuna ini kula mantombazana lesihlala nawo. Angitshele athi izinto ezingakufuni ungazibuzi, azikufuni ungazibuzi, koqala befuthi kugcina. Uthi awusoze ngibone ukuthi lo muntu lo uphuma ekudlaleni. Uthi hayi ngihambe because of kunabantu kaphithiza la semini. Uthi hayi vele ngihambe ngisiphindele vele emsebenzini wami sicede vele masiceda lana vele masiceda sihambe vele so practice vele imiculo wesonto ibandla. Ura awusozi langa lishona. Uthi langa malishona unomama like emini ozayo ozosincedisa, like if umama ngekho uzosincedisa uzosiphekela, then thina nathi samncedisa like to wash the dishes in yonke into ya kunomama ozayo. Uthi lo mama lo athi yimi athi mntwanami la ufunda ukuvala amehlo uvale nomlomo. Uthi angitshele kanjalo because like already now she had ama-rumors ukuthi mina ngiphusile yabona. Uthi athi ufunda ukuvala umlomo namehlo ungakhulumi kakhulu until umntwana sekini azabe right, khona uhamba kule ndawo le ungafuni ukuzibona usenkingeni. Awusuze kithi ukuthi sorry kereke ejwa ngena le ngidiphiri ikubona. Uthi vele makasho kanjalo ngingafuni ukumphendula vele ngisithulele. Uthi hayi sihambe isikhathi awusuze la ngalishona. Uthi la ngamalishona ubaba angibize athumele one of the girls ukuthi bazongibiza, or awusuze bambitse. Uthi baba ngibiza vele ngimthole vele ame ngaphandle vele aperi vele saparo sahare sa kereke. Uthi athi yimi athi fanele ukuthi ngikuthandazele and ngifuna ukuthandazela nomntwana sekini, isa nomntwana sekini. Ora awusuze vele ngilanda umntwana sekini. Uthi like nathi lotseletsa last night muthari like ziphumile engqondweni because ngingani ziphumile engqondweni. Uthi ayifike vele avule iBhayibheli vele athandaze umntwana sekithi vele avuke imoya yakhe amthandazele athi mthathu hambe umlalisa cedela ukuphinda ubuye. Uthi vele ngihambe vele imise ngalesilala ngakhona ngiphinde ngibuye as a child, innocently so as a child. Or awusuze mangibuya ngifike vele ngene. Uthi immediately akitsene ngimthole vele mangizi ungibonile like mangizi wavula umnyango, uqedela ngangena wavala umnyango wawuloka umnyango. Or awusuze like I can hanesilo isnacks because like bekaku uniform bekaku church attire yakhe. Or angicabange into off ngayo kulobona. Uthi hayi umuntu vele athi kimi athi ngizokukhombisa inkonzo yabantu abadala. Le nkonzo le yinkonzo ezokuncedisa nomntwana sekini, igazi lami lizongena kuwe then like litlo ya through ngwana koheni. Uthi like ngi-understand because I'm so young athi lo muntu lo berangishaya izinto ngengqondo kusesemncane, but mina I didn't understand because back then I was young. Uthi umuntu athi kimi athi khumula, or like ikitsoge like ngikhumule athi ngithi khumula. Awushozi or ke sathi bore ke scream or jwang athi ngithi ngicela ukhumule. Uthi kube yimi ukuthi ngiyakhumula, uthi ngikhumule ngibe ngcono. Or awushozi nalomuntu naye akhumule abe ngcono. Uthi angithathe angise ngasekamareni. Or awushozi umuntu wangidlengula. Ngikhuluma ngomfundisi, a well respected person. Umuntu wangidlengula. I was young bengisese EV. Umuntu wangidlengula waqeda wangitshela ukuthi yonke into yenzakala ngapha iphelela ngapha, and yonke into ayenzayo kithi amantombazana into pure, into yenyaka ngemudimu, and ukuthi sibe so kumele ukuthi si respect yena, singaphindi sikhuluma izinto eziphuma lana ebandleni or ezipho senze ngapha endlini. le istructure khulisa ngaso ibandla lakhe. Ura awushozi angakutshela ukuthi lo baba lo beyongasi ukuqala ayenza lento le bekayenza wonke lamantombazana ahlala lapha ebandleni, but no one spoke about it. Ura awushozi wangenza ukuqala, wangenza for the second time, wangenza for the third time, uthi angenza la kuyi-4 ngabe sengibona ama-period wami uthi bengayi isikhathini by then ngase ngibona ama-period wami after maqeda ukwenza whatever yenzayo. Uri awushozi ngalinda umama uthi ulinda the day umama makangekho makahambile ngama-weekends baye kuphi ebandleni baye kuphi uthi ulinda leso sikhathi uthi umama makabuya like the wife uthi ngamlanda direct ngamtshela ukuthi the husband usenzani like ngakhuluma ukuthi ungenzeni, and I was there crying and pleading ukuthi angincede futhi ngiphuma negazi. I don't know ukuthi why ngiphuma negazi, I was young. Or I was choose umama wangibrusha off. She was like angeke ubaba uzakwenza lento lena izinto lezo anenza zona zomkhuleko. Or I was choose me ola azangambeliever ambotho gore muruti ndo tsa dira ngidilo tsa kereke ayikho into ngayenza uthi wangi-offera like ipad wathi gqoka into lesiyigqoka so explainela ngendaba yama-period wathi gqoka ube right, and izinto ezenzeka kule bandla lesi zisalala kule bandla. If ufuna ukuthi umntwana yinaphole sihlala kule bandla. Or awushozi abazali mabazosibona bebangavumi ukuthi kithi abazali mabazosibona bekuba nomuntu ohlala nathi nabazali bebangavumi ukuthi umzali wami nami sibe together. Or I was just the way being frustrated ngakhona about this issue ne uthi one time umama mazile but bekaze for izinto zakhe zokuthi uzocleanse and stuff like that. Uthi size makangene toilet I rushed in the toilet azange bangibone ngangena, then that's when I broke down and told my mother ukuthi lo baba usenzani and every girl ulana lo baba umenzani. What I was choosing, there were rumors ukuthi namantombazana la abanabantwana la, but bona mabakhuluma ebandleni ukuthi abantwana bazala bakhulelwe bazoba nabantwana la. Or I was just dilo tsebe letsa khala kwale like be ke thomode bona. What I remember one time they were suspecting ukuthi one of the girls bekakhulelwe. Or I was just bamthatha bahamba naye go dropo. They were like no sokuthengela izimpahla ye ube muhle in. Or I was just bathatha lo mntwana lo bahamba bayomkhipha isisu uma umfundisi no baba umfundisi walela bandla. Or I was just when ngitshela umama went out and confronted them bekubusy ku Saturday wa confronta like in front of everyone ukuthi silethe umntwana lana nizomdlungula athi ngithi khuluma athanda kakhuluma uthi ngakhetha ukuthi ngikhuluma ukuthi umfundisi ungenzeni uthi all the girls they had to ukuthi bakhulume basnepe like bakhuluma ukuthi ya usenza so. Or I was choosing they were like hamfonela namaphoyisa fonela. Or I was choosing umamfundisi nalo bamfundisi bahamba babaleke endaweni until today asazi ukuthi bakuphi but babaleka. And what I feel bad about it ukuthi umntwana seyithi asangaphole. Number one, okay, bekalulama bekaba right like Lucifer besimphethe besi under control than Maxegiti. But azange aphole police someone else. Another thing futhi eyenzeka ukuthi besiphila ku community ukuthi bakhona abazali bebazi ukuthi kwenzakalani but they never spoke about it. Bakhona labo mama bebeza bazoncedisa ebandleni but they never spoke about it. So into engizisubhlungu ukuthi how many kids loya baba abadlungula without abantu ukuthi bakhulume. Or awushoze ngibhlungu ukuthi bamu virginity bathatha umuntu omdala okhohlakele, and it was hard for me to uthi ngikhulume, and it was hard for me ukuthi ngathi ngifuna uku-express my feelings komunye umuntu because of kereke nahanela ngwana ko or beba re brainwash. I was choosing today this thing is still trauma to me. Ngisese traumatized na no mangazwa umzali athi mntwana ami uhlala ebandleni I always tell them ukuthi screen the church because umntwana kuza balaphayana ungazi ukuthi bamenzali. So please arihlokomele ngibana.